Jai Hind India's future. How are you all? I hope that you are all well. Today I am about to tell some things, and I practice randomly, and I speak English because I want to learn speaking English. So if you want to learn spoken English, you can see my video and you can practice with me. So because in English listening is very important. So you when you see my video even you when will you see my video and you you forget you will get my mistake, and I also listen my i I will also listen my video, and uh, I get my mistake, and I will remove next video, and I speak daily speaking. So speaking is very important. So I can say, if you are beginner, then you can see, because I am also beginner, and it's my practice video, and you also practice make video. So and let's start some. I will tell some structure uh, which is use everyday speaking English, and it's use we use daily basis. It's not a structure that sometimes it we use, but it is daily use. So it's good for learning spoken English. So and you can see, this is morning time, and wind is blowing, and weather is very cool. Not समझ and morning time, and I am making video on my roof. I am making video on my roof, and you can see behind a tree behind me. So behind me, and let's start. Uh, so first sentence is in case of need. It is used to when we uh, need some things like uh, work, and we need anyone. So we can use, like, for we understand, for an example. Example is, people can do anything in case of need. People can under any do anything in case of need. For make a story like, this time you can see our area, like, if you have a friend. Suppose that you have a friend which and who doesn't have phone, and he want to call he want to call his parent, and this time he doesn't have phone, and he ask for he ask you for phone, and you said okay, you can take, and but this friend uh, don't good without don't do well with you, and you that time you think, uh, and you can that time you can think, you can say that he need a phone in case of, sorry, mm, sorry, uh, uh, then you said, you will say, in case of need, he ask for my phone. So this sentence we can use, and we can tell, yes, I know my sentence, uh, perhaps my sentence is wrong, but I am beginner, and I am practice through video, and I daily practice. And yesterday, if I tell you, yesterday I asked ChatGPT, how can I practice English speaking, because I am beginner, I don't know how to speak English. But he advised advised me, you can make video, you can tell uh, a daily routine, you can tell our goal, you can tell our village. So this is, there are many things he tell, I can say he he told me. And but फिर sorry, then I said him that I have also made this topic video, and you can tell other, you can, you tell other topics and I will make video. So but he don't tell, he told, but it's not enough for me. So I think I make a structure video, and I will practice by things. When I say, when I uh, choose, when I will choose sentence, I use a sentence, I may will make video, so I can practice. And other structure is uh, what is structure. So yes, uh, at his behest, at his behest, it is very common language, it is very common structure, because when we tell, when we want to ask someone, why did you this work, at whose behest did you do this work, so we can tell, and we can, then we can use this structure. My structure was at his behest. For an example, uh, at his behest, I will go garden. At his behest, I I completed my, I completed my work. So for an example, yeah, you can see weather is very good. And come on my topic, and at his behest, for example, uh, suppose uh, what I see, what sentence, and I can think, but this time I'm not thinking, I'm not, I'm not thinking, but I can tell sentence. Yes, sentence is I don't make story, sorry, I am not able to make story, so I think story. I can tell a sentence was at his behest, I have completed this work. So completed this work, suppose. And one day, when I was working on my field, and I make I I was working in on the field, and some people came to me, and asked asked me, why did you do this work, and at whose did you at whose behest do, at whose behest uh, why are you working, working on the field. So I can, I told him, I at his behest, I am working this work. So this sentence, and this make it, this make this story is not good, but it's my practice video, I am beginner. So and and when I was making a story, I use I used many times I used at his, at whose behest, many times. So it's mean someone asked, someone will ask you at whose behest. That person don't know, that person doesn't know that at whose behest are you working. So that he asked whose at whose behest they he joined this structure and ask with you. So this way I practice, and if you and I want to finish video, but i I tell you that if you beginner in English, so you can listen me, and you practice me like me. So practice is very important in English, and without practice, today speak I tried to speak well, but sometimes I mis I mistake I defaulted, and my pronunciation is not good, and I also practice of pronunciation. So and I also practice pronunciation, and I was saying, you if you want to learn spoken English, you can join me, and you can see my video, because I have made many videos, and I am beginner also, and I can say, you if you see my video, I can guess you are also beginner. So you listen, because this time I'm not use long sentence, long structural, no long structural, and no, I don't use difficult words. I use daily use basis sentence, and sometimes sentence is my sentence is uh, repeated. So you can see, because uh, and that's all. Jai Hind. Thanks for my watching video.